In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme of Apple Calendar. While Apple Calendar does not allow custom themes or a complete overhaul of its appearance, you can certainly customize it in a couple of meaningful ways. These customizations include changing calendar colors and switching between light mode and dark mode. Understanding these options is essential because they help tailor the app to your preferences, making it more enjoyable to use daily. To begin changing the color of a calendar on your iPhone or iPad, first open the Calendar app. Once the app is open, you will see the main calendar view, which displays all your events and appointments. This is your hub for managing your schedule. Next, tap on Calendars located at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up a list of all the calendars linked to your account. You will notice that each calendar has a unique color. Now, tap the Emo button next to the calendar you want to customize. This button is usually located to the right of the calendar name. When you do this, a new screen will appear showing options related to that calendar. At this point, choose a different color that appeals to you. A color wheel or a selection of colors will be displayed to help you make your choice. This step is crucial because it allows you to visually distinguish between different calendars at a glance. After selecting your preferred color, tap Done to confirm your changes. This action ensures that all events in that calendar will now reflect the new color you've chosen. You should see the update immediately in your calendar view. This not only makes your calendar visually appealing but also enhances your organizational efficiency. Next up, let's switch the app between light mode and dark mode. Start by opening the Settings app on your device. This app contains all the configurations for your iPhone or iPad. Once you're in Settings, look for and tap on Display and Brightness. This section allows you to control how your device appears, including brightness levels and display modes. In the Display and Brightness menu, you will see options for both light and dark modes. Select the mode that fits your preference. It's important to note here that Apple Calendar follows your iPhone's system appearance. Therefore, you cannot set a separate theme just for the Calendar app. This means if you switch to dark mode, all apps that support this feature will also follow suit, providing a cohesive experience across your device. You can also customize how events are displayed in Apple Calendar. This includes options to show event titles or simple color bars, adjusting the first day of the week, and even displaying week numbers. These features enhance your experience by allowing you to view your schedule in a way that makes the most sense for you. Furthermore, you can add alternative calendars such as the Chinese, Hebrew, or Hijri calendars. This flexibility is particularly useful for those who may observe different cultural or religious practices. If you were hoping to make Apple Calendar look like Google Calendar or install custom themes, it's crucial to understand that Apple does not currently support that. However, the available customizations can still make your calendar functional and visually appealing. In conclusion, while Apple Calendar has limitations on themes, these steps help you personalize your experience. By changing colors and modes, you can make the app feel more aligned with your style. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling!